search engine optimization or SEO. So Sajivan, just tell how important SEO is to a brand. How important would it be for a website, for a company's website, for you to have it fully optimized in terms of SEO?
SEO is everybody knows the websites, but not everybody knows the SEO. SEO will bring you a brand.
People don't consider it that much, no?
Not everybody considering because they are searching on Google, but they don't want the website to up. But they want, but they don't know how to make the website to up.
Because the thing is, now say, no matter how much of a great website you are having, people are discovering, finding your website through Google.
Only the Google will find your website.
Bing and Yahoo now, it's
Yahoo is not.
I don't think. Is anybody using Yahoo at the moment?
I don't know whether Yahoo exists or not. Google is the
still the site is there.
Yes, site they are using, but the Google is most of the people using Google to search the website. To make your website as a brand, at least you need your brand to know by people. The people will search the brand through Google. If your site is optimized for SEO, the people know the brand. So, if you want to grow the business to the next level, you have to have the good SEO on your website. Otherwise, you can't stand between you
and the competitors.
And
true.
That's the way. That's a point of we need a SEO. And if you look at the site,
there's two sides to SEO. One is the organically growing SEO, and also like by paying to Google PPC campaigns also you can do.
SEO anyway will not come immediately. It will grow one by one. It's a permanent statics. Based on the usage only it will come. And then organic and it's a paid one is
PPC campaigns.
They are giving straight to the Google ads. It's come like ads. We are paying and we are giving. It's not like SEO. We are making the people to click the ads. If they are clicking more and more, they will get the rank top in the SEO. But not exactly the people searching. And then,
but optimizing the site in terms of SEO means organically growing it, no?
It's anyways organic growing.
Right.
Based on the people clicks only it will come. If the more people clicking your sites, the more people will trust your brand. That's the way SEO you want.
And so it's very important to nowadays website to make sure that the site is optimized in terms of SEO.
It's very important. Whether if you have the great site also, without good SEO,
it doesn't make sense.
It's anyway need a good SEO.
Thank you so much, Sajivan. We'll see you next time.